These are my new addition. So I got chickens today, and it took me about an hour to set up this cage for them. Now I'm adding their feed and water. I've added a little bit of sugar so that it can relieve the stress, but they seem to be settling in comfortably. I didn't get much because of the budget, but still we start from somewhere. So layer these are layers, and I got two of them. So as time goes on, I'll add to them, but I think they will do pretty well in this backyard. I'll be feeding them mostly with the vegetable scraps and grass clippings.